gonna teach you how to re-upload a video without getting any copyright in YouTube. Okay, so we're here at the desktop of the YouTube. All you need to do is search for whatever topic you like or niche. Okay, so for example, cooking. Oopsie. So cooking, enter it, then go to filter. We have to filter this one. Okay, click the filter, go to Creative Commons. Okay, click that one. So basically this video over here is the ones that you can re-upload. So let's check the license of this video. So click the video itself. So close that one because we're not gonna watch it. Go to the description box, click show more, go all the way down, go to the license. See, if you can see this one, Creative Commons Attribution License Reuse Allowed. So that is confirmed that this particular video is the video that you're looking for. So you can upload it and re-upload it to your channel. So I will recommend one site that you can re-upload your video. Okay, go to savefromnet. Okay, so go copy the link of this video, copy, and paste it here. Actually, if you're doing this one on your phone, it's the same procedure that you're gonna do. Click download, and after that you can re-upload it. Okay, so that's how easy to re-upload a video without getting any copyright. So I hope that this video helps you. Subscribe for more. See you next time.